You have created the YouTube strategy, recorded the videos, edited and posted, but you're not done yet. Now it is time to promote your videos and get more eyeballs on your content. 15 ways to get more eyeballs on your YouTube videos. Are you looking for the best strategies to get more views on your YouTube videos? If so, you are in the right place. In this video, I will share some of the best strategies to help you get more views and subscribers on YouTube. YouTube is constantly changing and evolving. Long gone are the days dominated by funny cat videos and dogs on skateboards. Today, YouTube is also a place for marketers and educators. Over 1 billion hours of videos are watched on YouTube daily. That's more than Netflix and Facebook videos combined. Without any further ado, let's dive in straight. 1. Use keyword-rich titles and description. When people are searching for videos on YouTube, they will typically use keyword phrases. That is why it is important to include these keywords in your video title and description so that your videos can be easily found by potential viewers. 2. Create eye-catchy thumbnails. Your thumbnail is like a mini movie poster. It should be eye-catching and give potential viewers a taste of what your video is about. Think about using bright colors and interesting graphics or even photos that represent the main sense of your video. 3. Optimize your video for SEO. YouTube videos can be optimized for search engine optimization, just like any other web page. This means including relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags, as well as creating keyword-rich transcripts of your videos. 4. Use playlist. YouTube playlists help you rank higher in search results because users are more likely to keep watching the next video, which increases your overall views and watch time and makes YouTube think you are pretty cool. You can add other creators' videos to your playlist, which is a good idea for collaborations later on. But at first, make your own. Group your videos by topics or keep a specific series together. Manage your playlist in YouTube Studio, either under Content, Playlist, or quickly add a new one from the top Create menu. 5. Promote your videos on social media. Social media is a great way to get more eyes on your YouTube videos. Promote your videos on platforms like Connect You, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram using eye-catchy visuals and hashtags. 6. Embed your videos on your website or blogs. If you have a website or blog, you can embed your YouTube videos directly onto your website. This is a way to keep visitors on your site longer and give them more content to consume. Plus, it can help with SEO if you include keywords in the embedded code. 7. Run a paid promotion. If you really want to give your videos a boost, you can run a paid promotion on YouTube or on Google. This will help your video appear in search results for relevant keywords, and you can target potential viewers by interest and demographics. Number 8. Collaborate with other YouTubers. One of the best ways to promote your YouTube channel is by collaborating with other YouTubers. This can involve anything from guest appearances on each other's videos to cross promotion on social media or in video descriptions. 9. Create a trailer for your channel. A channel trailer is like a movie trailer. It is a short attention-grabbing video that gives viewers a taste of what your channel is all about. You can include your best or most popular video in your channel trailer and link to it from your YouTube homepage and social media profiles. 10. Use automations and cards. YouTube automations and cards are a great way to promote your other videos or channel on your current video. You can use automations to link your videos from another video or cards to link your video from a YouTube search. 11. Participate in YouTube challenges and trends. YouTube challenges and trends are a great way to get more views and subscribers on YouTube. When you participate in this, you can often get your video featured on the YouTube homepage or in search results, which can lead to a ton of views or subscribers. 12. Host a live stream. Live streams are a great way to connect with your audience and promote your channel. You can announce your live stream in advance on social media and in your YouTube video descriptions, and then interact with viewers in real time during the stream. 13. Offer a giveaway. People love free stuff, so offering something free in exchange for subscribing to your channel is a great way to get new subscribers. You could offer a downloadable PDF, an exclusive video, or even just a coupon code. 14. run a contest or a giveaway. Contests and giveaways are another great way to get more subscribers. You could ask viewers to subscribe to your channel and leave a comment on your latest video for a chance to win a prize. Make sure to promote the contents on social media and in your video descriptions. 15. Add a watermark to your videos. Adding a watermark to your videos is a great way to promote your YouTube channel and get more new subscribers. You can use your channel logo or profile picture as your watermark and it will appear in the corner of all your videos. 16. Use end screens and annotations. End screens and annotations are a great way to promote your other videos or channel on your current video. You can use end screens to link to your video from another video or annotation to link your video from a YouTube search. This is how you grow your views and subscribers on YouTube. If you want to learn how to get into the YouTube Partner Program faster and monetize your channel, watch this video next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.